This is a genuine Ferrari show car. It's the 2004 year model that Michael Schumacher won the World Championship in. This car's been donated on permanent loan to the National Motor Museum here at Birdwood.
Well, you can get a little bit of a taste this morning of what it's like, what it will be like. People visiting. I think it's a fantastic draw card, not just for our average everyday visitor, but for Formula One enthusiasts, for Ferrari enthusiasts as well. So, look, I'm sure it's going to be an exciting addition to what we have on display here. It's great.
Michael Schumacher did magic things in that car, and I think having it here in Adelaide for Ferrari enthusiasts and the general public alike, I think is absolutely brilliant.
This is Formula One coming back to Adelaide. This is the National Motor Museum, so it's the logical place to have a Formula One show car like this. And Bridgestone's home is here in Australia and also in New Zealand, of course. So hopefully many of our friends from around Australia and New Zealand can come and see this car here at the National Motor Museum.